Hello friends, today we will discuss about the final keyword and when you are at the initial level or you have a 2 or 3 years of the experience, this question is frequently asked by the interviewer. So we need to be understand what is used of this final keyword. So let me create a one class as a parent, okay, and this class I am declaring a final. Okay, so you can see that I have one parent class which I am declaring as a final, and this is my another class as a test example, and I'm trying to extend. Okay, I am trying to extend or acquire the property of the parent class within this child class. Okay, which is marked as a final. Let me try. So you can see that here it is saying that remove final modifier for the parent, or it is not allowing us. So here it will give us the error like the type example test example cannot subclass the final class of parent. It means that once I will remove this final keyword, then you can see that this error is gone. Okay, the first use is what we learn कि when what for uses we have learned कि when in the case of inheritance the parent class is marked as a final, then that parent class property could not be acquired by its subclasses. Okay, got it? That is the first use case which we understand. Now take the another example. Okay, let me remove it this thing. Now for example, I am declaring private static integer a equal to 1. Okay, okay, I need to define, so within this class, it's my bad, we need to define over here. Okay, so I have a test example. Within the text example I am declaring a static variable. So this variable I can defining over here. So what would be the value of that static class? Let me check over here. So that value we can run as a Java application, proceed, so we can get the output. Okay, now I'm trying to change the value over here. Okay, so whatever the value which I have defined as a equal to 1, I'm changing to over here. Let's see the output. So here you can see that the output is 2. We are able to change it. If I don't want to allow to change this particular value of integer a, then what we need to do, we need to declare it as a final. Okay, and here you can see that we can getting this error, and it is saying that the final field, okay, it is saying that the final field, the name of field as a from the class of test example cannot be assigned. Okay, it will give an instruction to us. When I remove it, then it will work. Okay, now the third case which is also related to inheritance only. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, now let me define one class as a or look, let me take as a parent. It will help you what is that. Okay, and within the parent I have one method as a public void. Okay, I will give a display. Okay, and this display method I will just print the message to parent display. Okay, now let me save it, and then what I will do, I will extend it. It will allow to extend me because I have not declared as a final. Correct? If I will be declared as a final, it means that it will not allow. So it means that the display method now I can use over here. So when I will create the object, let me remove this tool. Okay, no problem. Test example equal to new test. What happened? Example, and then when I write test example dot, it will give me a display method, right? And then when I run it, then it will, what it will show me, parent display, right? Now what I'm doing, I'm doing the method overriding. Okay, I will also create a very good video for the overriding as well, so you can see the different type of the question which is asked by the interviewer regarding the overriding as well. And this is my child display. Okay, then what will be happen, let's see, let me run it and run it. Now you can see that it's a child display, means whatever the method or property which is declared by the parent, by the overriding we are changing it. But now parent decided I'm not going to allow you to change my property, then parent can declare that particular method as a final. Then you can see that we can get the error, right? And what error it is showing, that it is saying that, sorry, my bad, it is saying that cannot override the final method from the parent, right? The three cases we learn about it. When you declared any class as a final, you cannot be extended. When you defined any method within the final, within the parent class as a final, then it will also not allow to override it by the child class. And third one, any variable you are declaring as a final, you cannot change the value of that variable. Okay, now when you have a higher experience, then this question also could be asked, and it will 100% it will make you a confusion. Okay, so it will put you on the confusion and you need to be give the proper answer for the same. Okay, so let me give you the, so you have used the multiple time. This is a list interface, and list is defined as a string, and I have a L1 equal to, I am using the implementation of array list. Okay, we already know we have a list interface. There's a three different implementation we can do via the list interface. One is a array list, second one is a vector, and third one is a linked list. Okay, this is a list of, you can see that the list is type of Java util. Okay, it is comes under the Java util package, and I am okay. Now what I will do, I will add L1 dot add, and I will add the as hello. Okay, I will add hello. Okay, I'm adding the multiple. What will be happen if I add final keyword over here? Means does it allow to add the variable? What is your guess? Does it allow? Yes, it will allow. Okay, here this statement what is saying, that you are declaring the object of list interface, this list interface, as a final, but these are the methods to adding the variable, removing the variable. Those operations you can do it, but what is the uses to add this final keyword? In that case, this question will become on the mind, right? What is the uses of this keyword? So for example, if someone is trying to change the implementation of this L1, they are going to change to, they don't want like array list, they want to go with the vector when they have a thread safe application. So in that case, what will be happen? So they are going to change it. So in that case, it will not allow. Okay, it is saying that we cannot be Okay, first let me import it. The vector I import, and now you can see that it is saying that what error we can see? We can see this error as a copy, and you can see that this error is coming up. So it is saying, let me, the final local variable L1, okay, cannot be assigned. Okay, the final variable L1 cannot be assigned. It must be blank or not using the component assignment. Okay, the other component assignment we cannot do it. Okay, if I remove this final, then you can see that this assignment is allowed. Okay, so this is also a very confusing question when they were asked regarding this. So you understand that in which scenario, which case we are using the final keyword. So hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel. It will really help you to clear the all the interviews. Thank you so much.